In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dimension text size in AutoCAD. If you've ever been working on a project and struggled to read the dimensions because they appear too small, you're not alone. This common issue can make it difficult to work efficiently on your design. Let's look at how to adjust the size so everything appears clear and easy to read, even when you're zoomed out. First, take a moment to locate the dimension on your screen. You might find yourself needing to zoom in to see it clearly because, by default, the text size can often be quite minimal. Don't worry, this is exactly what we'll fix today. The goal is to adjust the settings so that your dimension text is comfortably visible right at your normal working zoom level. The first step is to type dimsty into the command line, then press Enter. This command is a shortcut for dimension style and will bring up a menu where you can manage the various styles related to dimensions within your drawing. It's a powerful tool in customizing your workspace and ensuring everything is legible and neatly organized according to your needs. Once you've accessed the Dimension Style Manager, you'll notice a list of styles that apply to dimensions on your drawings. Your task here is to select the appropriate dimension style that's affecting the text you want to modify. If you're unsure which style to choose, you can often refer to the properties of the dimension you initially inspected to ensure you select the correct one. After selecting the style, click on the Modify button. This opens a new window with multiple tabs, each allowing you to tweak different aspects of how dimensions appear on your drawing. For changing text size, the tab you want to focus on is Labeled Text. Navigate your way there to move a step closer to resizing your dimensions text. Now, within the Text tab, you're going to find a field labeled Text Height. This is where you can directly modify how large or small your dimension text appears. The trick here is to adjust this field's value. It might take some trial and error to decide on the right number, so don't hesitate to experiment a bit. Adjust the value, preview the changes, and repeat this process until you're satisfied with the legibility and aesthetics of your dimension text. Once you've found that perfect balance, where the text is neither too large nor too small, settle on that value. This should ensure that your dimension text is easily readable without needing to zoom in unnecessarily, making your workflow much smoother and less frustrating. And there you have it. You've successfully learned to change the dimension text size in AutoCAD. With these adjustments, your design process should become much clearer and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!